The Scottish Clan Gartshore has a long and fascinating history that dates back to the late 12th century. The name Gartshore comes from lands of the same name in the parish of Kirkintilloch in Dumbartonshire, where the clan was originally based. The Gartshore Clan is an armigerous clan, which means that they do not have a chief recognised by the Lord Lyon and are therefore considered to be without a clan chief. Despite this, the clan has a rich and storied history that is worth exploring. The earliest references to the Gartshore clan can be found in historical records from the late 12th century. At that time, the clan was known for its prowess in battle and for its strong ties to the local community. Over time, the Gartshore clan became an important part of the social and political landscape of Dumbartonshire. Throughout the centuries, the Gartshore clan played an important role in Scottish history. Members of the clan fought in many of Scotland's most famous battles, including the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314 and the Battle of Flodden in 1513. They also served as loyal vassals to the powerful Earls of Lennox. In the 17th century, the Gartshore clan's fortunes took a turn for the worse. The clan suffered financial difficulties and was forced to sell its lands. However, the Gartshore name continued to be associated with the area, and many members of the clan continued to live in the region. Despite the challenges faced by the Gartshore clan in the 17th century, the clan's legacy has continued to be celebrated in Dumbartonshire and beyond. Today, there are many people who can trace their ancestry back to the Gartshore clan, and the clan's history is a source of pride for many Scots. The Scottish Clan Gartshore has a long and fascinating history that is closely tied to the history of Dumbartonshire and Scotland as a whole. While the clan may not have a recognised chief, its legacy has endured and continues to be celebrated today. Whether you are a member of the Gartshore clan or simply interested in Scottish history, there is much to admire and appreciate about this ancient and storied clan.